Welcome back to English Reader Class 7 Chapter 2. Here are some home assignments which you have to read and write down in your copy. Word meanings. Number 1. Spouting, sending objects of water. Number 2. Canoes, narrow boat with pointed ends. Number 3. Ancestors, descendants. Number 4. Befall, happen to. Number 5. Cliffs, steep rock. Number 6. Voyage, a long sea journey. Number 7. Drifted, carried away slowly by a current of air or water. Number 8. Omen, sign, prediction. Number 9. Dusk, sunset, evenings. Number 10. Stiff, hard, inflexible. Here are some question answers for you all. Number 1. Why could the girl neither eat nor sleep well? Answer. The girl could neither sleep nor eat well because her heart was filled with loneliness and she dreamed terrible dreams. Question number 2. What did the girl do on the 6th day when the storm had ended? Answer. On the 6th day when the storm had ended, she went to the place where the canoes had been hidden. Question number 3. When did the girl feel real fear for the first time? Answer. The girl felt real fear for the first time when at dusk the island of the Blue Dolphins had disappeared and there were only hills and valleys of water around her. Question number 4. Why did the girl want to leave the island? Answer. The girl wanted to leave because she did not want to stay there all alone without a home or companions, pursued by wild dogs. Question number 5. What noises did the girl hear and what sights did she see while in the canoe? Answer. While in the canoe, the girl heard only faint noises of the waves, sometimes angry and other times like people laughing. She saw the sea was black and there was no difference between the sea and the sky. Question number 6. What made the girl decide her here and what sights did she see while in the canoe? Answer. The girl decided to return to the island when she realized it was dangerous to go on as the voyage could take 2 days or longer. By returning to the island, she would not have to travel so far. Last question. Did the girl manage to reach the island she wanted to? Answer. Yes, the girl reached the island she wanted to. The last question is for you all. Do it yourself. Imagine yourself to be the girl who was abandoned on a desolate island and write a paragraph on what would you have done.